Scots, Emiliana Burquez.
And I'm Tessa Agerton. Welcome back to Scots Weekly, the show that's more refreshing than a Gatorade after PE.
That's right, let's dive headfirst into this week's announcement for Friday before the weekend snatches us away.
Hey all you Picassos and Van Goghs. The first art club meeting of the year is happening September 4th during lunch in room 8A.
They'll be picking up officers, brainstorming events, and sketching out plans for Via Arte, pun totally intended.
So if you've got creativity bursting out of you like paint splatter, bring your ideas and your energy.
Don't miss your chance to turn your doodles into destiny. See you there, future legends.
Next up, Teen Deaf Club, aka TDC, is kicking off the year with officer elections.
That's right, whether you're deaf, hard of hearing, or hearing and learning ASL, this is a perfect place to connect.
You'll get to dive into deaf culture, sharpen your singing skills, and be a part of something awesome.
Meetings are September 9th and the 23rd from 4:15 to 5:15 in room 3B. Don't miss it. Hands up if you're in.
And now the moment you've all been waiting for, the final announcement.
Drumroll please, it's a 3-day weekend. That's right, Labor Day is here.
Which means no school on Monday.
So sleep in, relax, or binge watch that show that you're pretending you're not obsessed with.
Whatever you do, enjoy it, Scots. And now it's time for a quick commercial break.
Don't go anywhere, we'll be back faster than your teacher says put that phone away.
So where are you going for your free period?
I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go to sleep.
Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna go to Starbucks.
Excuse me, sir. Can you open the gate for me? We have a free period.
Alright, okay, yeah, I see that you have a free period for 7. So, can I say yours?
Here you go.
You don't have a free period for 7.
They messed up my schedule. I'm supposed to.
Are you sure? Cause it's already like the
No, it's
third week
an
of
error.
school.
It's an error.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to take you up to the office.
No, you don't have to. You can just let me go.
No, let's go.
Please, sir, I'm so sorry. I didn't lie.
It's already too late. It's already too late. You're already trying to lie to me and everything, trying to escape school and everything.
Oh, you got in trouble.
Welcome back, Scots.
Now let's pass the mic to Julian. Take it away.
Hey man, it's your boy Julian and I'm back with another one. Hey, let's get into this Highland Tour Part 2. Oh wait, my legs. And last up, Scots, the football field. But clearly, I'm not there because I cannot walk. But guess what? There will be a game this Friday, 7:30. Pull up, Highland versus Stockdale.
Thanks for the awesome tour, Julian.
Now let's check in with our sports crew and see what's happening on the field.
Yo, Scots, I'm Frankie Barr.
And I'm Andrew Quadras, and this is the Highland Sports Network, where the energy never drops.
Let's fire it up and dive into this week's sports action. First up, Scots, our varsity football team crushed it this Friday against East.
That's right, Highland put up a show with a 43-19 victory.
You already know, we've got the best moments lined up. Check out these highlights from EJ.
Who am I here with?
Frankie Barra.
Frank, what was your experience during the Battle of the Blocks?
Hey, you know, they came strong the first half, but we closed it off in the second. And yeah, we did what we needed to.
All right, sounds awesome, Frank. Now tell me, what do you guys look forward to during the season?
Yeah, we gotta make a big impact in playoffs and go far, you know?
Love that.
Wisconsin pride, yeah.
All right, thank you, Frank.
Yeah.
Next up, we're passing it over to Kaylee and Tiffany. They've got the scoop on all the other sports action happening around Highland.
What's up, Scots? I'm Kilo Heda.
And I'm Tiffany Torres. Today we got the latest scoops here at Highland with volleyball and water polo.
Scots, our varsity volleyball team is on fire this season.
They've got one mission, make it to playoffs and bring glory back to Highland.
With a crazy good talent and solid teamwork, this squad is going after something we haven't seen in years.
Even with a few injuries along the way, they keep pushing, stacking wins, and showing no signs of slowing down.
This team isn't just playing volleyball.
They're making Highland history.
Check out these highlights from last night's game.
what's your experience like being the only freshman on varsity?
I really love it. Like, I love the girls. I love how supportive they are after we get like a point or something. I just love how great it is to be like to have this opportunity to be the only freshman on varsity. Like, it's the best. I love my teammates, my coach. I love this. I love my coaches.
I can't wait to see you in the end of the season.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The Highland water polo team went 2 for 2 at Lemoore tournament, showing off their hard work and teamwork.
With the Loch Ness pool almost open, now's the time to join. No tryouts, just a chance to play and learn and compete.
Interested? Today's the last day to join the team. Stop by the weight room at 4 p.m.
Let's go back with the guys.
Appreciate it, ladies.
All right, Scots, don't forget that our JV and varsity will be taking the field for our first home game this season.
JV kicks off at 5. After that is varsity time.
It's Highland versus Stockdale. So be there, pack the stands, and bring the noise.
Don't forget, Scots, show up loud and proud. We need y'all there. It's a big one. Wear neon gear and construction gear.
And that's a wrap for sports today.
Back to the desk before I take over the host show.
Go Scots!
Commercial break, Scots.
Stick around, the best and last announcement is still on the way.
Hey, good job, man. You got an A right there. That's what's up. Thanks. Keep it up, Bart. Keep it up. Chris, what's up with this? An F? I don't know, man. You're not gonna survive. It's barely the first quarter, too.
Man. I can't go to the game either.
Hey, what's wrong, man?
I failed the test and I can't go.
Wait, 1 second. Hello, Mom? Wait a minute. You're gonna take me to the game? And to Disneyland and Happyville? Oh, thanks, Mom.
Hey guys, Chris DeMage here. And if you don't want to end up like me, I suggest you focus on your grades and make sure you do good in school. Flat up.
Need extra help after school? Tutoring is back.
Starting Tuesday, September 2nd through December 15th, tutoring will be held in the Highland Library every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 4 o'clock to 5:30 p.m.
Here's what's available each day. Tuesday, English, History, and Math. Wednesday, Science, Math, and English. Thursday, Social Studies, Math, and English.
A bilingual Spanish instructional assistant will be available every afternoon, and transportation is provided for students after 5:30.
Take advantage of this free support to stay on track and succeed.
Well, Scots,
That's a wrap for us.
thank you for tuning in to Scots Weekly.
And always remember to flat up.